Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every plant you will need for the fairy event in Grow a Garden. Hold on, let me just pick this fairy up real quick. So, I have every plant here that you'll need. You will need strawberries, blueberries, elder strawberry, romanesco, and you will need pumpkins, watermelons, apples, bamboo. You will need the beanstalk, sugar apple, and you will need the cactus as well. You will need corn, tomato, you'll need pepper, I don't think you'll need carrots. I haven't gotten that one actually. So, you'll need glowthorns, you'll need ember lilies, you will need light shoot, you will need cacao, you will need the burning bud. Oops. Whoa. You will need orange tulips, you will need daffodils, you will need pine cone, you'll need mango, you will need, what else? What's this? You will need mushrooms, you'll need pumpkins, I don't know if I said that, and you will need sunbulb and coconut and dragon fruit. And those are all the fruits you need for this event. Just everything in the seed shop, and also everything in the new enchanted seed pack except for the rarer seeds like briar rose you don't need. So just from the enchanted seed pack you'll need glowthorn, light shoot, and sunbulb for this event. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.